Yo, 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 yo. What up, YouTube? Guys, this is day 13 of making content every single day. Okay? We're going to make content every single day this year, and I want you guys to do the same thing, okay? Make sure you guys sub up to the channel. I'm posting daily videos, guys. I want to help you guys make the most money as possible. Okay, this is for all the beginners, for all the content creators out there. Make content, okay, every single day and get better at it. Your goal right now is just to put out content, okay? Put out as much content as possible so you can get monetized on YouTube. If for whatever reason you come across this video, I want you guys to understand that content creation is the easiest way to make money online. Okay, there's nothing else that you could do every place on this planet to make money online like content creation. Okay, so this video and the purpose of this channel is just to help you guys understand that content creation is the best thing that you could do with your time. Okay, I promise you that, right? Your best ROI, return on investment, is going to be making videos and making content every day. My goal is to inspire you guys and to motivate you to just create. If you not subbed up to my channel already, on this channel I post a whole bunch of ways to make money online, okay? In person and online, okay? I'm helping you guys just create the biggest brand you could possibly create, okay? And I want to be very clear. I want you to make organic videos unedited, just like this video, okay? When my light went out, you know what I did? I kept it on, okay? That's exactly what I want you guys to do. I want you to make content and unedited, okay? People want to see the organic content that you provide to them, okay? Keep them on the platform as long as possible, but just give them some type of end result, okay? So what I mean by that is, if you say you're going to talk about cars, talk about cars. If you're talking about making money, talk about making money. If you're talking about dancing, make sure you dance and you talk about dancing, okay? I want you guys to be the best you can be and have the biggest brand on your channel, okay? Your channel can bring you so much success, okay? And I truly believe everybody who's watching this video should be monetized on YouTube, right? You should be compensated and paid for all the videos you put on YouTube, right? Especially if you make really good ones, okay? And YouTube is something that is for everybody. Okay, everybody could do this. I want to show you guys every single day that it is possible to make content. Okay, so I'm holding myself accountable, but I want to hold you accountable as well. Okay, make videos every day. I don't care what you're doing with your life. Okay, document your videos, make great videos, and just get better every day. Okay. Learn from other people and then make great videos. Learn from other people, make great videos. And you keep doing that. And I promise you, you're going to get all the money and all the finance you need to make videos every day. Okay. So I know some of you like, well, I can't put in enough time. I don't have enough time to do this. You do have enough time. Okay. And then when you start getting paid, I promise you, you're going to find more time. All right, this video is for all the beginners, all the people that just want to know what's the easiest way to make money, the laziest way to make money, and that is content creation. That is making videos. You can do this every single day. I don't care who's watching this. Whoever's watching this video right now needs to be giving this video a thumbs up, but you need to understand that you have an opportunity because you have a YouTube channel. You have a YouTube channel because you're watching this video. So utilize that channel and make the most money you can. Whatever you're doing already. Okay, all I'm saying is whatever you're doing, record it or make really good videos, edit it if you want to, okay? But I recommend you don't edit it. Make it raw and just give the people raw content for as long as possible, okay? Make it purposeful content and evergreen content that people is going to search up over time. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. How do you think you're going to do that, okay? The subscribers, easy, everybody. If you're consistent, Now the 4,000 watch hours, you got to keep people on the platform, on your videos, okay? That's how you do it. You make consistent content every day, okay? Every day. One time a month is definitely not enough for anything, right? Unless you're making a freaking 3-hour movie, then yeah. One time a month, okay, fine. But if you're not making a 3-hour movie, no, okay? I recommend long form content. When I say long form, I mean 10 to 20 minutes every single video, okay? If you go under, fine, at least be consistent. Content creation is in your grasp. You have the opportunity to make the money you want to make and more, okay? I wouldn't be making these videos if I didn't truly believe that, okay? So if you haven't subbed up to the channel already, please sub up to the channel. I want to help you guys make money. I don't care who you are, okay? Young, old, boy, girl, man, woman, blue, purple, I don't care. I want to help you guys make as much money as possible. Why? Because money's not everything, but everything needs money. Okay, I want you guys to have financial freedom. Everybody, I believe, should have their own brand, which is their own channel. And if you don't put content out on your brand, how is people going to find you? Okay, that's what I want to do. And I want to inspire you, motivate you, keep going. Don't stop. If you're tired, so what? Keep going. Be consistent. It's a numbers game, okay? Make content over and over and over and look at those numbers. It's a numbers game. You got to put videos out there. Not one time a month. There's no way that's going to be enough. Not one time a week. That's not enough. I need every single day, just like you put into your job and just like you should put into fitness. It's right there. Some people get it super fast. And when I mean they get monetized super fast, right? Don't edit nothing. See how the white lights went out? We ain't editing nothing. Some people get monetized super fast. Some people, it takes a while. Sometimes it takes a month. Sometimes it takes 6 months. Sometimes it takes a year. Now you're going to have haters that's going to say, oh, well, everybody, there's always going to be haters on everything, okay? Everybody can't win, and everything's different for everybody. You got to understand that, okay? Just get better, make better content every day. You can do this. If you're watching this video, you have a phone, I'm sure, okay? Even if you're watching this on a computer, I'm sure you have a phone, okay? Utilize that phone, utilize your YouTube channel, and just create, okay? Use your mind, be creative, okay? And just turn your content into something just amazing. That way in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now, God willing, that you're still here, you can just look back on, man, what I look like, what I was talking like, what type of content I had, and it's going to be there forever. Forever. It's going to be there forever. Content's going to be there forever. Okay? So get hipped on YouTube. You might as, because YouTube is going to be on, it's going to be around for a long time. Whether they change the name or what, it don't matter. YouTube is going to be around for a long time. So you might as well post your content on there and let it grow. Because then you're going to be going by then. Okay, I promise you. All right, create, guys. Okay, that's the best advice I could give you watching this video. Subscribing to my channel is create videos every day. Okay, learn from those videos. Don't make the same mistakes. All right, try to get a jump start in creating content by joining AI. Okay, creating content with AI like vidIQ and ChatGPT. Okay, there's tons and tons of artificial intelligence that you can use for your channel to get you ahead, okay, in everything, okay? That's the new trend, and it's going to be the new trend for a long time, because AI is only going up, okay? Content creation is only going up, and there's only getting more of them, okay? Where it gets crowded at is where people create 30 seconds, right? That's very busy, very crowded. 1 minute videos, 2 minute videos, crowded. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So then it gets less crowded. The longer the video, the less crowded it gets. Okay, and then that's when your video gets shuffled in between all kinds of people, okay? So the longer videos that you make, the more you're gonna get separated from other people, and then you're gonna get more views, okay? And that's one of the fastest ways you can get monetized on YouTube, okay? I want to help you guys just get monetized. That way you have financial freedom, okay? That's the only thing I want for you guys. I want you guys to be amazing. Sub up to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. W in the chat. Catch you in the next one. Peace!